If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Paragraph says, we hold these truths to be self-evident that all men, men is a euphemism for humanity, are created equal.
And tells you, you have to get this clock shot or you're going to lose your job. In writing, because I don't have it. I get this clock shot.
The actual act of intimidation, terrorism, and misuse of a bioweapon, because he's telling you, you have to take it. Make sense? So you keep that, and you're going to get with this gentleman here and make sure all of you have what you need for that.
That I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I'm glad we stand up next to you